Okay, hey you guys. I just looked all over the side. Anyway, it's his phone. So today I am going to share with you how I write a product description using Chat GPT. And I'm going to use a sensitive beauty bar because I just grabbed something random and I decided to share this with you because I love, love, love. So stay tuned. I love Chat GPT. That is, I love it for business and I love it how it's going to be a game changer and continue to be a game changer and here to stay for people that have millions of ideas that have been trying to find a way to translate them. Let's go. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is TVO Designs, also known as I Am X. So today I wanted to share how people are changing the game when it comes to writing product descriptions. Whether you have a small business or a large business, being able to write a good description of what you're selling can help you keep customers, attract them, and create something very unique in retaining customers for your business. The first important part is to know your target audience. Now, if you know your target audience, you're on the money. With knowing your target audience, you have shown that you understand what they want, their needs are, and their desires. Now, with that being said, don't forget to write about the benefits, highlight what's unique about your products, um, be concise and specific when you talk about the features of said product. Include descriptive language within the title. Um, and like sensory details, like talk about the texture and softness, different things of that. And also don't forget to include a call to action. Okay, I hope this helps. Okay, so I'm going to show like the free version of it, of how you can have a certain amount of prompts that you can give. I won't leave y'all on stuff. So I'm going to give product example of, okay, this is how I'm going to prompt it. Write a description of beauty bars that provide, no, write a product description, my bad. Healing for eczema. Well, I'm gonna say sensitive skin. And I'm gonna press this and see what it gives me. I'm gonna go ahead and close these out. I'm gonna save those. So with the free version, of course, it takes a long time to type. That's why a lot of people use the paid one. So here you have, hope you can see it. Ooh, let me zoom in best way I can. Okay. Introducing our line of beauty bars, specially formulated to provide healing for sensitive skin. Our beauty bars are made of 100% natural ingredients. So here we have our target audience. We have, we have specifics. They talk about the avocados, the different things that are in here. Now, of course, if you don't have this in your product, you want to change those out. But this is a great start and a great way for people that are struggling on making product descriptions, right? So these beauty bars are perfect for those with sensitive skin who have difficulty finding cosmetics that don't irritate their skin. Our healing formula is designed to soothe and repair irritated and inflamed dry skin, etc., etc. It's just, and down here it says our healing beauty bars are perfect for daily use, providing gentle cleansing while providing the nourishment. Um, yeah, this is excellent for a beginner. Now, if you want me to make you one, you can inbox me on, I'm trying to think, what can I get? Yeah, I do have TikTok. I do have Instagram, but I think you can just drop down in the comments and let me know if this is something you're interested in working with, because if anything, this is one of the things that a lot of people don't spend a lot of time on. You can always find people on Fiverr. I just created a Fiverr account, and this might be one of the services that I add. But you see, this is just showing you how you can use the free version to get started. And again, I hope this is helpful.